Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so changes are reversible, back up your data, and enable side-loading options. Next, download a reputable iOS emoji APK or an iOS emoji font. This gives you the assets you need. Once done, open a file manager and locate the APK or font file, because installing from there avoids Play Store restrictions. Make sure to note your original keyboard and font settings so you can restore them if anything behaves oddly later. You now install and configure the emoji package. Tap the APK to install, or use a font installer if you have root access. Root allows system font replacement, which ensures emojis render everywhere. After installation, go to Settings, Language and Input, and add the new emoji keyboard, then set it as available for apps. Once configured, grant any requested permissions, and reboot the device to make sure the new emoji font loads system-wide and displays correctly across apps. You finish by testing. Open Messages, WhatsApp, and social apps to confirm emojis display like iOS. If you see empty boxes or inconsistent rendering, clear the affected app's caches and reboot. If problems persist, reinstall the APK or revert to your backed-up font. Make sure to keep the original backup handy so you can restore the default keyboard and font if the change causes instability. One key tip: if the system UI misbehaves, undo changes first before further tweaking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.